Hey kids, when you're not feeling your best, you can say, I'm unwell. Let's say it together. I'm unwell. One more time. I'm unwell. Great job. Hi, little friends. Sometimes we all feel a bit icky. When that happens, we can say, I feel lousy. Can you tell it to me? I feel lousy. Once again, I feel lousy. Well done. Hello, everyone. When your tummy hurts or you feel like you might have a fever, you can say, I feel sick. Let's try it together. I feel sick. And again, I feel sick. Good job. This is an excellent phrase to use whenever you're not feeling great. Hey, little stars, sometimes we all feel a bit gloomy and sniffly. That's when we can say, I'm under the weather. Let's repeat it. I'm under the weather. Once more, I'm under the weather. You're doing great. Hello, bright minds. When you've had a long day and you're feeling really tired, you can say, I'm the worse for wear. Let's say that together. I'm the worse for wear. One more time. I'm the worse for wear. Excellent.